Hello, I wanted to record this very quick video to share just how much I love Interact. As a blogger and as a coach, I often find that what people struggle with is a way to get email subscribers. And it's not, just your typical, oh, sign up for this, free PDF and I'll give you my email address. People want something interactive that their audience can engage with. And that's when I had done some research and came across quizzes. And I started implementing my first quiz, and it's converting from starts to completions at around 31%, which I think is not too shabby for my first effort. And over time, this quiz has been around for a little over a year now. It has brought over 1,225 leads into my business, which I think is great because I don't run any paid promotions to it. I don't advertise it on my site. I don't show it to my email list. This is pure Pinterest traffic. And just a few months after publishing the quiz, I had noticed that my quiz shot to the top of the Pinterest search results for my target keyword, which I thought was absolutely amazing. And so, only after pinning it once or twice, period, this quiz is consistently bringing me upwards of 600 visitors per month, which I think is absolutely amazing. And I wouldn't have been able to do this without Interact. Their support is amazing. Their quiz builder is second to none. And I'm just so amazed with Interact. I even did a research study where I used Interact as my quiz builder because I knew that they'd be able to do what I needed to do. And the degree of attention that their software provides is so designed for creators, for bloggers, for coaches, for course creators. Anyone in that realm is perfect for Interact. And that's why I recommend it to my audience of online business owners. Thank you.